Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to create a system restore point in Windows 11. So firstly open control panel. Now here click on recovery. Click on configure system restore. Here select system protection. Click on configure. Select this one, turn on system protection. Click on apply. Then click on OK. Now again click on configure system restore. Now this time click on create. Create a restore point right now for the drives that have system protection turned on. So click on create. Give a name. And create. Wait for a few seconds. The restore point was created successfully. Close it, click on OK. Restart your system. So this way you can create a system restore point in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.